with another Physics is Fun! Alright! Today your hosts on Physics is Fun are Chad, Wedge, Burnett, and we have Vince Hahn! Vince Hahn's usually a guest here, and Marms is usually the other host, but he didn't come. Well, we got a treat for you today. Physics is Fun is going on the road. Are we ready to go, gentlemen?
We're ready, let's go!
Head out. Let's rock and roll. Let's go, dude. It's Physics Man!
I can see him, I can see him!
It's a bird! It's a nerd! No, it's Physics Man! Today, Physics Man will be helping the Physics is Fun crew with their experiment. Wow! He's incredible!
He looks almost real!
Whoa! Where are we going today, Physics Man? To the park! All right.
Let's go to the park then!
Yay! Physics Man!
Oh man, what are you getting in physics?
Yeah, I'm doing okay. How about you?
I'm getting an F.
F.
How about you, Coyne?
I'm getting an F too.
You know what we need?
No, what do we need?
We need Physics Man.
Physics Man? Who's that?
Everything.
Look, everybody, it's Physics Man!
Hold on, kid. I'll be there in a minute. Yes?
Man!
That's me.
We're fan Physics Man, can you help us out?
Yeah, help us out. I suppose.
Right now we're in chapter what, 21?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, and it has something to do with, lenses and light and rays going in to plastic lenses. Can you help us out?
Yes. Look at my glasses, for instance. You take the sun, get on my sun,
Sorry.
and give me your hand. And we could focus it in on your hand.
See if we can do that.
Didn't it get a little hot?
That was hot!
Why was that?
Well, because the sun's hot and because the sun is hot and it radiates the sun's light through the glasses, which put it on one focus point.
It makes your hand hot, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, isn't he
That's
smart?
cool.
Shit, he's smart?
I never
Yeah.
Yeah, he's smart. What's this? What's that for?
Oh, these are my light rays to also demonstrate to kids.
Wait a minute, don't we have another guest today? He can demonstrate those light rays.
Yes.
Oh yeah, Vince Hahn. Vince Hahn, would you like to come onto the set? Explain how it works.
Well, Vince, he aims the gun and he shoots at me when
Okay.
this is on. And he misses too. And he hits also. And he hit it.
How did that work?
I mean, this is shooting light rays?
That's
Yeah.
shooting rays?
Okay, now shoot it from an angle.
How come we don't see the light rays?
Because they're infrared and those are the non-visible rays.
Oh,
wow.
Guys, make sure you speak up plenty loud.
Okay.
Okay, shoot it. See if we get it from a side angle.
Hey, I'll come over here.
Okay. He's shooting from the side, and it's still going off.
The infrared can still hit the side over here.
Oh, so it's a dome, and it just collects all the light on top, and then...
Focus it to the middle, huh?
Yes, you boys are learning already.
So how come the sun doesn't affect it?
Because it's not the right kind of rays.
Wow, that's incredible.
Did you ever know that?
I didn't know that.
I think you're...
Oh, are you okay?
I got an idea. Why doesn't Physics Man get in the water, and we'll shoot the gun through the water and see if it still works?
Okay.
Yeah, come on, Physics Man.
Let's take him. Come on, yeah.
Wait,
Come on,
I got a
Physics Man.
call on my watch. Chief Loomer, what's wrong? I must go to his rescue. Bye, son.
Bye, Physics Man.
Here's another experiment. Chad is now traveling 50 miles per hour added on to the speed limit. He's exceeding the speed limit that much. So that's what, 40 miles per hour for this hill. And that means we're all traveling 40 miles per hour. And this piece of Big Red candy wrapper, I'm not endorsing this. It also is speeding 40 miles an hour, right? So if I let it go, it should be going with us.
It should still go 40 miles an hour.
Let's see. Oh,
And it,
explain what happened there?
well, I don't know.
Well, I think that it just stopped traveling 40 miles an hour and it lost velocity as it left the car.
Yeah, I think we had some wind currents we were dealing with there too.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that was just a quick experiment with Vince and Sean.
Yeah, we're in the back of the truck. This is illegal. Don't try this at home.
That was great.
Man, that was great. Truly awesome.
Oh,
I mean, that guy is such a stud.
Physics man,
I have new respect for the guy.
Yeah, I've never seen him before. And he can fly. That guy, he's incredible.
He knows everything.
Aaron! Hey, Aaron! Where you? Man, we saw Physics man!
And you weren't there.
Saw him.
Where were you?
Man, you should have been there, man.
Where were you?
Missed it.
Oh, well, I was just about.
Oh, anyway.
So what's next on the agenda for
We're gonna do
Physics
something
fun?
in physics.
Sound waves. Sound waves, there you go.
We can maybe demonstrate
Guitar.
different forms of sound waves with guitar.
Let's do it. Okay, let's do it. Come on.
What about the camera?
No, we'll do that later.
All right.
It's over there, Tracy.
Pretty funny.
Okay, first let's describe how sound waves are created.
Okay.
By vibrations, right?
Vibrations, yes. What happens is it disturbs the medium in the air, the vibrations travel through the air, and what they really are is kind of like disturbed air, and they hit the eardrum this way. They can't do it.
The air
They can't do
the
it
air
this
is
way.
the
That's
medium.
like punching.
The air is
They
the
do it like
medium
this.
for sound.
Transverse way, right?
Right.
Right. Okay. And now we will demonstrate the difference between
The way
an acoustic guitar.
two sound waves are created.
Yeah.
An electric guitar with an amp.
Jade necklace.
Jade necklace. Okay.
What key was that?
Okay. That was G.
That was remedial G.
There's some difference there, I think.
Yeah, there was a slight difference there. We're
Well,
gonna do
that's
it
louder because of the amp.
again. You think?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll do it one more time, just for our studio audience.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Can tell us how that one works?
Well, see, that one the strings produce the vibrations, right?
Mm-hmm.
And this one, the strings produce the
Does it
vibrations.
echo in here?
Right. And
Okay.
then you make the sound waves.
Go out. Okay. Yeah.
Also, aren't the sound waves in the air more, is their wavelength smaller or longer?
Magazines over there. Yeah. Okay. Go ahead. Okay. What I'll do. These are called pickups, and they catch the vibration of the string, which therefore transfers it into electrical impulses that travel through this wire into the amp, which is sort of like a big speaker, which vibrates the speaker, forcing sound out, which you hear like this.
Why don't we talk about prisms?
You want to talk about prisms now?
Sure.
How they refract light and stuff like that.
Yeah. Well,
Like in discos, what they...
yeah.
I don't have a
Sort
prism
of a
on
prism.
Hey, has anybody got a prism on them?
As a matter of fact, I do.
Oh, Chad, hey.
Yeah, thanks. Jade necklace. Anyway. Yeah, as you can see, this is a many-faced prism.
Kind of like a diamond.
But different.
Exactly like a diamond.
You see, it's a bunch of different surfaces, and we'll show how light from this lamp here will glance off these little sides, creating a weird effect that will make little sparkles.
There's little dots on your jacket.
Yeah, see?
See, that refracts the light.
Reflex, isn't it?
What does it do? Explain what that does.
Reflecting a focus.
You're in the light, Mike.
No, he wasn't. I think that's taken from the overhead light.
See what happens?
Wow, that's just like a disco thing.
Yeah, I mean...
That's wild.
Yeah, you can see the light bouncing off all the little surfaces, hitting my jacket.
So it's being refracted.
No, it's not being absorbed. It's just what it does is it bends the light. The surfaces bend the light.
So that's why when the light hits that thing, it just sends light in all different directions.
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
Doesn't water do something weird to light too?
Yeah.
In fact, it does. Oh, here's a glass of water right over here.
Cool. Hey, what do you show us, Mike?
As you see, when light enters the water, it bends the light,
Bring it over here so you can see it.
and it will thus distort an image.
Oh, why is your finger so fat and smoothed over?
See, it's not just weird.
But notice,
Why does that happen?
well, light is going into the water and refracting off.
Hey, should we check that in slow-mo?
Why not?
No,
Okay.
no. And it just creates a weird effect from the.
Is that like, can that spraying your eye?
It can, so it must be
Well, try it on the other side of the glass, see how much that...
from here.
Yeah, wow, that does it a lot.
That get picked up?
I couldn't even see
I
your
can't
I can't see your finger either.
That really bends the light.
Yeah.
You can't see the finger.
That's because of the light angles. Your eyes aren't picking up any light to see the image because it's being. It's like the critical angle.
So it's
which
like
way
so
you
it's
look.
like a magic trick. It's like an invisible.
Yeah, that's like you can't, right? You can't see my
I
finger
can't
now?
see your finger.
Is
at
that-
all.
that the critical angle? Is that?
Hey, Mike, do it again, because I can see it from here. So move it over to the left a little bit. No, your finger, not the glass. Other way. Okay, right there, I can't really see it. Oh, that's incredible.
You should be able to.
No, I can't, though. So you're sitting at a different angle, so you're getting a...
Yeah.
Huh.
That's
There's no finger there.
kind of interesting. Isn't it?
That's
Yeah,
incredible.
that's neat, man.
That just proves that physics is
I want to
fantastic.
tell you
Well,
guys.
physics is fun.
I want to tell you guys. I enjoy spending my weekends doing physics.
I know what you're saying, man. Because what I do is usually on Friday nights I go home and I'm doing physics till about 11 o'clock, and then I read.
Yeah.
Physics is in every part of our lives.
Physics is everything. We have to know about it. If
Yeah.
we don't, our lives are what?
Nothing.
I mean, you wouldn't have discos if it wasn't for prisms.
We have discos.
Well, you wouldn't have rock and roll bands more for light waves.
Or sound waves.
Or sound waves.
Yeah. What would happen if there were no discos?
Or sound waves.
There would be no John
It'd be
Travolta.
like this. It'd be like this.
Yeah. What's he saying?
You can't tell because I'm not producing any sound waves.
Yeah.
And without sound waves, life, communication is just.
It's nil.
Life as we know it would cease to exist.
Well,
Definitely.
thus ends another show of Physics is Fun, gentlemen.
I guess
The
so.
fun is over. So I would like to thank Vince.
And we'd also like to thank our special guest,
The incredible Mr. Physics Man.
Mr.
Physics man, wasn't that was a treat,
He
wasn't it?
flew all the way out from
From wherever he lives.
Yeah, we don't know where
Does
he
he
lives.
live like in the
Secret
North
base.
Pole?
like a South Pole.
He lives with Mr. Loomer, doesn't he?
No, Mr. Loomer's
Well, that's kind of that's the they.
Anyway.
No one really knows about
Anyway.
that.
But, well, we'd like to say thanks, Sean, for recording the Physics is Fun.
He's Chad.
He's Marm.
Hey, that's great.
This is Vinny.
That's great.
And
Darren.
that's Darren running the music.
So
See you later. See you next time.
21 Jump Street.
Right now, yeah!